Welcome to the Grammar Garden, a place where verbs bloom, voices shift, and every sentence tells a story. Let's begin our poetic journey through time and transformation. Every verb has 5 faces. V1 is the seed, fresh and free. V2 is the leaf, fallen from yesterday. V3 is the echo, soft and wise. V4 is the stream, flowing in action. V5 is the spark, shining in speech. Let your grammar bloom with meaning. Verbs don't just act, they travel. In the present, she writes. She is writing. She has written. In the past, she wrote. She was writing. She had written. In the future, she will write. She will be writing. She will have written. Grammar is movement through time. In grammar, voice is perspective. Active voice shines on the doer. The teacher explains the poem. Passive voice lets the action speak. The poem is explained by the teacher. Shift the spotlight. Let the sentence breathe. To shift the voice, just let it be. Add is or are and V3. If it's still happening, add being to, and has been joins when the job is through. 5 symbols, 1 grammar arc. Grammar isn't just rules, it's rhythm. Let your sentences sing, let your verbs bloom, and let your learners grow with grace.